On with our cannon parts, now we're modeling the laterals. Firstly, as you know, we'll start by opening a new part tab, selecting the Multiple Lines tool. We're starting with our geometry with a measurement of 20.8. We'll keep going on with the measures just like our 2D course. We'll enter the measure and press Enter to confirm it. As you can see, we're at the end, and there's only an angled line left. So we're clicking on the Close and Finish Profile command to complete the geometry with the missing line. Then we just need to confirm the dimensions. Let's create our geometry with one of our drills, considering it's a simple through hole. We can leave it here on our sketch. For us to do that, we're using the Arc Circle tool and the Relative Point command to reference our circumference in a specific point of our geometry. I'll leave its rounding already done because, as we can use this tool on a 3D object, we can do it on the sketch environment. I'll leave one of the chamfers done, too, to show the two ways to make this operation. Now we're drawing the extrusion operation, selecting the tool and the desired geometry. As the software recognizes it as a closed draw, we need to identify any existing hole. For that, we need to click on Profile Face and select the desired hole. And done! We have our hole added to our extrusion. We're setting the width to 6.5 millimeters and applying it. Then we just need to visualize the operation. If everything is correct, then you just need to finish it by selecting Finish. Now let's focus on our chamfer operation on our 3D object so we can visualize both methods. We'll habilitate the chamfer tool and add a measure of 2 millimeters to the distances 1 and 2. Then again, apply and visualize. If everything's correct, then you just click Finish. We're clicking on our 3D object's face, and we're starting a new sketch, which we're adding references to our Countersink drillings. With our references already made, we're selecting the Hole command, and we'll select the Countersink type. Then we're inputting our values so we can create our drill. With that done, we're repeating it to the second drilling too. We're adding our material to the object, selecting Color and Material, then selecting the material as carbon steel. Then we're selecting the object on the Bodies tab. Click on Apply and confirm it. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.